Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis on Expiry Week. As we see on last 2 day market scenario that Nifty breaks range bound scenario with an uptrend, and also it made sustainable movement above 10,000, which is very strong for Nifty with support of 10,040 to take resistance, that's our 10,176, which is achieved already on last trading session, and then next 10,350 and 10,500. So may Nifty try to take range in between 10,040 to 10,176 if it makes downtrendy movement. Otherwise, may it will try to enter 10,350 to 10,500 for this month expiry. So for now, Nifty try to move in between 10,040 to 10,176, and then it will try to enter in range between 10,350 to 10,500. Otherwise, if it breaks 10,000, then may it will take 9,700 to 10,000 for a reversal zone. Let's come to Nifty chart. As we see that the major barrier when it reverses from 9,600 to 9,800, that 10,040 to 10,176, which is crossed on last trading session. So may Nifty try to sustain above 10,176 with base support of 10,040. So for now, may Nifty takes a range bound situation for 10,040 to 10,176 if it's open below 10,200 for today's trading session, and then it try to breaks 10,350 or enters in between 10,350 to 10,500 zone for this month expiry. Otherwise, if it breaks 10,040, may it will come again 9,800 for reversal. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed above 21,000 for 2 consecutive days, which indicates a strong uptrend nature for it. But as per present scenario, may it takes 21,500 to 21,800 as a resistance to break 22,000. So for now, for Bank Nifty, if it sustain above 21,000, may it will takes resistance of 21,500 and 21,800 to achieve 22,000 levels. Otherwise, if it breaks 21,000 once, may it will try to reverse from 21,500 to 21,800 once for achieve 22,000 and takes resistance of 21,350, 21,500 and 21,800. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty takes support on 21,000 and it's good for 21,500, 21,500 to 22,000 once. But as per my realization, may it will try to breaks 21,000 once, then it will try to reverse for 22,000, or may it will open near 22,000 and then it breaks 22,000 for further. Otherwise, if Bank Nifty breaks 21,000, then may it will come for 20,500 to 20,800 for reversal, and then may for Bank Nifty the reversal resistances are 21,350, 21,800 and 22,000. As per my exploration, there have some trading zone for index future. For Nifty future, there have a major resistance of 10,420. To achieve this resistance, there have 2 more resistances, that are 10,300 and 10,365. There have a support for Nifty future, that's 10,040. To achieve this support, there have 2 reversal supports, that are 10,176 and 10,100. For Bank Nifty future, there have a major resistance for Bank Nifty future, that's 22,223. To achieve this resistance, there have 2 more resistances, that are 21,589 and 21,986. There have a major support for Bank Nifty, that's 20,672. To achieve this support, there have 2 more reversal supports, that are 21,129 and 20,964. As per my exploration, there have some volatile stocks for intraday trading, that's are Godrej Industry, that LTP is 382, Natco Pharma, that LTP is 628, Mindtree, that LTP is 915, PNB Housing, that LTP is 216, Syngene, that LTP is 378, Ambuja Cement, that LTP is 190, AU Bank, that LTP is 486, Ipca Lab, that LTP is 1615, Bharti Airtel, that LTP is 572. If you have any kind of query, you can mail me on my mail ID, or you can join my Telegram channel, which description given below.